It's my home and it's called Armadale Residence. I think if I was to summarise it, it's kind of an oasis. You travel down the entrance corridor into a 3-storey light well, which brings light down from the roof, and then before you is the circular stair, which you see for the first time, and that travels up through the building. And what that does is your eye travels up the staircase and beyond into the sky. There's the study, then there's the living room, and then there's the bedroom wing. They're all actually made of similar materials. We just use them differently, with the exception of the study where we use timber. The living room is this vast space, it's grand, very high ceilings, whereas the study ceiling is quite low and intimate. Heightened sense of luxury, really. The living room of Armadale Residence is a grand scale. The bedroom, on the other hand, has a curved ceiling, which is the shape of a wave. It's linen curtains and carpet on the floor. So again, it's a completely different environment to the living room and the study. And it's designed as a place of refuge, place to sleep. But it has those views of the park. So if you don't want to cocoon yourself and draw the curtains, you can leave the curtains open. If you can see it, you belong, you're part of it. You're one with it. We wanted to look beyond our boundary into the environment and feel like we were one with it. You look into the treetops, across the park, and then to the city beyond, and you feel like you're one with all of those spaces. As an individual, I can't be confined by those suburban boundaries. I find it really restrictive. The world's becoming homogenised, and Armadale Residence gives you the opportunity to live a different life.